I had to laugh. I'm still in the ice age with these drills here. Here's my pop's old drill from years ago, and it's from Skill, and it's only a 12 volt. That thing doesn't really work too well, but I'm gonna end up using it. And here's his Makita, and it's a variable speed one, and of course it's the old school one with the extension cord attached to it. That's all I got. And I got some bits and pieces in here. I've got my screws in here. I've got some stuff in here. I've got some stuff in here. I've got some stuff in there. And I'm gonna make it work. And that's what my videos are all about. I always seem to figure out a way to get things done with the tools that I have, and it cracks me up sometimes. Hey, Video Joe, why don't you get a multi-tool, blah, 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 and you should have used a shop vac for this, that, and the other thing. And I respond, hey, that's fine and dandy if you have a shop vac, you know, for taking water out of a toilet tank. The guy wanted me to use a shop vac instead of the little sponge I had. Or they want a fancy drill, and oh yeah, if you have a fancy drill, fine. But if you don't, you can still get things done. And that's what my channel does. It shows you how to do things with minimalistic tools and stuff. Maybe you don't have a whole lot of money to fix things, but you still want to fix it, and you're like, no, I'm not sure how to do that. Do I have to pay a door company to come out here and fix that and have them look at this and stuff? Oh yeah, if you had a door company come out here, it's probably going to charge you $145, $175, maybe more, probably $225. Seems as though he has to put a weather stripping down there, and he might do the repair slightly different than what I showed you, to where, oh yeah, I had to put some surface mounted screws in here, I had to put different screws in here that didn't match, and I had to put some caulking over here, and oops, I buggered up something. But you can fix that with some touch-up paint. You can do this, you can do that, and now all of a sudden you have a $250 bill, and it still looks like it's not all patched in properly. You know what I mean? If you just knew how to do it yourself. So spend a few minutes watching my video, and yes, it's going to be a little bit more, a few minutes, that's for sure, to do all the stuff that I'm going to do on this door. But you're going to learn. Knowledge is powerful. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos, and hopefully you learned something. You spent a little time with Video Joe. You saw what it takes. Patience and determination to get something done. A never give up attitude. And if that's you, that's what my videos will show you. How an average Joe is going to fix things around the house to save money. And you're learning it from an average Joe. What could be better than that? Because you can see all the trials and tribulations I go through in order to get something fixed. You'll be able to see how I Joe Guyver certain things in the future. If you choose to continue to watch my videos, you'll learn all that stuff. You'll learn how to save money, keep that money in your pocket. Why pay somebody else when you can do it yourself? Alrighty then.